Hello, good morning, students, and welcome in the class. Students, we are studying solution of triangle. This is last topic of the trigonometry. So let us see some problems here. Your first question is prove that area of triangle ABC is equals to half BC into sin A is equals to half CA into sin B is equals to half AB into sin C. This is your first question. Prove that area of triangle ABC is equals to half BC into sin A or half CA into sin B or half AB into sin C. Consider ABC is a triangle. First of all, let us consider ABC is a triangle. Then few cases will arise. Following cases will arise. First case, when triangle is acute angle. When triangle ABC is acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. So consider the figure. Let ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. From A, draw perpendicular AD perpendicular to BC. Draw AD perpendicular to BC to the triangle ABC. Now, from the triangle, calculate sin B. Sin B means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So sin B should be equals to AD upon AB. After cross multiplication, AD should be equal to AB into sin B. AD is equals to AB into sin B, and AB, side AB is represented by small c, so AD should be written as C sin B. Now, as we know from geometry, since area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base into height, half into base into height, so it should be written as half. Your base is BC and height is AD. Half into base into height. So area of triangle ABC is equals to half BC is A, half A into C into sine B, half into A into C sine B. This is your result number second. Similarly, if we rotate the figure naming B C A B C, so if we take C A B, then it will be possible to calculate sine A, right? And change the name A B C, then sine C should be calculated. In this way we calculate the area of triangle. Now see second case. When triangle is obtuse angle, obtuse angle. So obtuse angle will be like this one. One angle is obtuse more than 90 degree, that is obtuse angle triangle. So suppose ABC is obtuse angle triangle. Produce CB, draw the perpendicular D. Then measure of this angle will be 180 degree minus B. This is angle B and this should be angle 180 degree minus B. So again calculate sine, produce CB, draw perpendicular AD. So sine 180 degree minus B should be equals to AD upon AB, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, AD upon AB. Sine 180 degree minus B will be sine B. So sine B should be written as AD upon AB, and from cross multiplication we can write AD is equals to AB into sine B, and AB should be written as C sine B. Again apply the same formula. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base into height. This is formula. Base is BC, height is AD, means half into BC into AD. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half, BC is A and AD you have just calculated, C sine B. C sine B. Again this one, if we rotate the name, then we will get another result. So prove one of them and then write similarly we can prove the result. So in this way children we prove the value, and when triangle is a right angle, in third case, when triangle is a right angle, suppose angle B is right angle, then value of AD is equal to C. So half base into height, which is as usual. So in this way we prove the result. Now come on to another question. Another question. If in triangle ABC B plus C upon 11 is equals to C upon A upon 12 is equals to A plus B upon 13, then prove that cos A upon 7 is equal to cos B upon 19 is equals to cos C upon 25. If in triangle ABC B plus C upon 11 is equal to C plus A upon 12 is equal to A plus B upon 13, then prove that cos A upon 7 is equal to cos B upon 19 is equal to cos C upon 25. So first see what is given. It is given that B plus C upon 11 is equals to C plus A upon 12 is equals to A plus B upon 13. It is given the term. So consider this is as lambda. Say or suppose. It means B plus C is equal upon 11 equal to lambda. So B plus C should be equals to 11 lambda. Similarly, C plus A should equals to 12 lambda, and A plus B is equals to 13 lambda. Now solve. So method of solution, how can we solve it? First of all them add them. Add all of three inequations. So in left side we have 2A plus 2B plus 2C. It means 2 should taken as common and it should be A plus B plus C, that is 25 and 36 lambda, and hence A plus B plus C is equals to 18 lambda divided by 2. Now subtract B plus C is equal to 11 lambda from this one. A plus B plus C is equal to 11 lambda. So on subtraction, we have A is equal to 18 lambda minus 11 lambda, that is A is equal to 7 lambda. Similarly, B is equal to, subtract this equation from by this one. So C plus A should be cancelled. B is equal to 6 lambda. And similarly subtract A plus B is equal to 13 lambda from this one. So C is equal to 5 lambda after subtraction. Now write down the value cos A. Do you know the formula for cos A? I think all of you have remembered. That is B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Write down their values. B square means 36 lambda square. 36 lambda square. C square means 25 lambda square. Minus A square means 49 lambda square. Divided by 2BC, 2 into 6 lambda into 5 lambda. So 2 into 6 lambda into 5 lambda. We have 36 plus 25. 36 plus 25 is 61 minus 49 means 12 lambda square upon 60 lambda square. Lambda square should be cancelled. This is 1 upon 5. Similarly, cos B. Cos B is equals to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2CA. Calculate its value. 25 lambda square plus 49 lambda square minus 36 lambda square upon 2AC means 2 into 7 lambda into 5 lambda. So it should be 38 lambda square by 17 lambda. 38 lambda square by 70 lambda square. Again lambda square should cancel here. Cancel by 2. So it is 19 by 35. Now no cancellation. And finally calculate cos C. Cos C is now A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. It means write down their values. 49 lambda square, A is 7 lambda plus B square means 36 lambda square minus C square means 25 lambda square upon 2A. A means 7 lambda and B means 6 lambda. So it becomes 60 lambda square upon 84 lambda square. Again lambda square should be cancelled. Cancel it by 12 directly. So after cancellation by 12 it becomes 5 upon 7. Now take out a ratio. Since we have cos A ratio to cos B and ratio to cos C, that should be equals to 1 upon 5 is to 19 upon 35 is to 5 upon 7. Here multiply each ratio by 35. So we will get 35 by 5, 19 into 35 by 35, 5 into 35 by 7. So 35 by 5 should be 7 is to 19 is to 25. This is simplest form of ratio, and hence cos A upon 7 cos A upon 7 is equals to cos b upon 19. Cos b upon 19 is equals to cos c upon 25. This is your result. So children, in this way we will prove such type of problems. This is very important, how to get result, how to prove it. Next, see one more question. Write down. In triangle ABC, your next question is, in triangle ABC, prove that A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C should equals to 8 area of triangle square upon ABC. This symbol represents area of triangle. Now see, just write down A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C. Apply sine rule first, means it should be K sine A into cos A plus K sine B into cos B plus K sine C into cos C. So rationalize it by 2, then 2 sine A cos A, 2 sine B cos C. K should be common, so after rationalizing by 2, it should be written as sine 2A. Similarly, it should be sine 2B plus sine 2C. This is identity. You have also studied in conditional identities, and I told that you must remember this value. I think you have learned this one and remember that value. That value will be 4 sine A into sine B into sine C. Further, after cancellation, it should be written as 2k sine A into sine B into sine C. 2k sine A into sine B into sine C. 4 cancels by 2, means 2k sine A. Again, k sine A should be written as A. 2a sine B into sine C. Now we know area of triangle. See, this is your rough part. Area of triangle is half AB sine C, right? So 2 area of triangle will be AB sine C. Sine C will be 2 area upon AB. 2 area upon AB. So just write in the form 2A. Sine B. Sine B similarly will be 2 area of triangle upon AC, because this is B. Similarly, this is 2 area of triangle upon AB. So 1A should be cancelled. This becomes 2 into 2 into 2, 8 area of triangle square upon ABC. Hence the result. So after completion of the class, I will again provide you some question for practice and submit it by today itself. Till then, thank you.